Hello everyone, welcome to the incredibly soft, fluffy and perfectly sweet glazed donut recipe. In this recipe, we are going to use warm milk and 2 whole eggs, unlike in our donut recipe 1 where we used cold milk and egg yolks. So please stay here and let's dive into the video. In a bowl, we add milk, 1.5 cup, a half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix well. We then put this aside for the yeast to ferment. In another bowl, we put 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and combine well. We then put 2 eggs, the yeast mixture, 100 milligrams of melted butter, and knead the dough. We knead the dough until it becomes soft and ready. The dough is only ready when it's no longer sticking to the gloves. So we then cover the dough and keep it for around 1 to 1.5 hours for the dough to rise. So after 1.5 hours, this is our dough. We degas it by kneading it for around 3 minutes. So since our dough is big, we are going to divide it into 2. Roll and cut to make the donut shape. So we put some flour on the board so that the dough doesn't stick. We then put the donuts on a tray lined with a cling or baking paper. This helps the dough not to stick to the tray. So we do the same until all the dough is finished. If you're watching me for the first time, you're most welcome. Thank you for passing by. This is the Food Clinic channel where we do cooking. For all the best recipes, please subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for always watching the Food Clinic. We then cover for 15 minutes for the donuts to double size. So after 15 minutes, these are our donuts ready for frying. We heat the oil and start frying. We fry our donuts on medium heat so that they don't burn. So we put the ready donuts on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Frying the donuts, we put them on a cooling rack and start preparing our glaze. So we are going to make vanilla glaze, and this is 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix well, then add 25 ml of milk and mix very well. So this is our glaze, and we are going to glaze our donuts warm, not cold and not very hot, but warm. So I'm glazing only one side, but you can do it to both sides. If you have sprinkles, you can put them just after glazing. So the glaze is going to set after 15 minutes. And I'm coating some of the donuts with powdered sugar just to have more options. So after 15 minutes, our donuts are ready. You can now enjoy as desired. These donuts are so delicious. You can see how fluffy. They are so soft. I mean, they are just perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with a friend, leave a comment down below. Stay blessed. Bye.